The Toyota Camry has performed exceptionally well for an extended period, transcending its status as a mere sedan to become an institution in itself. Despite facing a decline in sales amidst a market fixation on SUVs and pickups, the Camry has consistently held the title of the best-selling sedan in the US for over 2 decades. Notably, while competing models like the Honda Accord and Hyundai Sonata have transitioned to inline-4 powertrains exclusively, the Camry continues to offer a diverse range, featuring a robust 301 horsepower V6 at one end and an eco-friendly hybrid 4-cylinder trim delivering impressive fuel efficiency at the other. Furthermore, the latest generation of this spacious 5-seater has not only maintained its well-established reputation for reliability but has also introduced stylish design elements. The inclusion of the Nightshade package, highlighted by its chic bronze wheels, further enhances the Camry's visual appeal. Even with the introduction of the sporty TRD model, touted as the sportiest Camry to date, the core personality of the vehicle remains unchanged under the Toyota Racing Development banner. In essence, the Camry remains true to its roots, offering a blend of performance, reliability, and style. The standard 4-cylinder engine is mated to a smooth 8-speed automatic transmission, but its acceleration performance leaves much to be desired. In the hybrid configurations, a less potent iteration of the same engine is combined with a battery and 2 electric motors, resulting in a sedan that fails to deliver an exhilarating driving experience compared to the base powertrain. However, our sentiment towards driving the Camry has significantly improved, thanks in large part to the luxurious 301 horsepower V6 available on the XLE, XSE, and TRD models. The steering is finely calibrated to suit the car's intended purpose, sufficiently substantial during cornering and light enough for easy maneuvering in parking lots. The vehicle's dynamics have been meticulously tuned to offer a controlled ride along with surprisingly responsive handling. Notably, the brake pedal in the Camry proves to be responsive and appropriately firm, even in the hybrid model where it must seamlessly integrate friction and regenerative braking, efficiently recharging the hybrid's battery pack with energy captured during braking. The Toyota Camry maintains a consistent design for its instrument panel and center console across all trims, featuring slightly intricate lines and a generous array of buttons. While this design may appeal to those who appreciate such details, it's noteworthy that the vehicle offers 9 trims with just an $8,000 price difference, revealing a surprising variance in cabin material quality from the base SE to the top-tier XSE hybrid. The lower trims exude a more straightforward and unpretentious vibe, while the XLE and XSE trims elevate the sedan's interior to a level of outright luxury, especially considering its $35,000 price point. However, there are no reservations when it comes to the spacious and comfortable accommodations of the Camry. Its substantial footprint ensures ample passenger space, numerous interior storage compartments, and a generously sized trunk for cargo storage. The rear seats conveniently fold down to accommodate larger items. In the hybrid models, Toyota has strategically relocated the substantial battery from the trunk to beneath the rear seats. This thoughtful adjustment ensures that owners do not have to compromise on carrying capacity to enjoy the enhanced fuel efficiency provided by the hybrid technology. The Entune 3.0 touchscreen infotainment system by Toyota is a standard feature across the entire Camry lineup, offering an upgraded version as an optional choice. Entune impresses with a plethora of features and exhibited satisfactory responsiveness to user inputs during our tests. Moreover, the standard inclusion of Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility enhances the overall connectivity options for users. We continue to commend Toyota for its commitment to inclusivity by making driver assistance technology a standard feature across all Camry models. For additional details regarding the Camry's crash test results, you can refer to the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration NHTSA and Insurance Institute for Highway Safety IIHS websites. Notable safety features include standard forward collision warning and automated emergency braking, standard lane departure warning and lane keeping assist, standard adaptive cruise control. Thank you all for taking the time to watch our 2024 Toyota Camry review video. We hope that the information we shared has provided you with a better understanding of the features and advantages of this model. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them in the comments section below. We'll do our best to address any inquiries you may have. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for updates on the latest car reviews and news. We'll continue to bring you more useful and interesting content about the automotive world. It's been a pleasure serving you, and we look forward to seeing you in our upcoming videos. Wishing everyone a great day, and until next time.